Setup Information File. It allows for unattended Windows installations. It answers the questions, like time zone and username, automatically during setup. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the settings. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful SIF file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A SIF file is a Windows setup and setup information file. It contains configuration settings and instructions used during the installation of the Windows operating system. This file specifies various parameters such as the installation directory, user settings, and hardware configurations, ensuring a smooth and automated setup process. SIF files are typically plain text files adhering to a specific syntax, understood by the Windows setup program. They are structured into sections and key value pairs defining the installation behavior. Modifying these files requires caution, as incorrect settings can lead to installation failures or system instability. They are often used for unattended installations. Most users will find that Microsoft Notepad developed by Microsoft Corporation is the best tool for SIF. Only a dedicated viewing tool can accurately confirm the integrity of the file's content. Windows may load the config file in a text editor, but only informed edits should be made. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your SIF file, then click Open With. Try Microsoft Notepad first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If the SIF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. General troubleshooting won't work on this SIF file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, use installer. The file is used by a software installer. Run the main setup.exe or install.exe file located in the same directory. Next, open as text. Open the SIF file in a text editor, Notepad, to view the raw configuration settings. Finally, check associated files. Ensure all associated installation files referenced by the SIF file are present. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.